Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back with a very brand new video. As you can see, I am in a very beautiful place. As you can see, this is a big fatty fields over there. As you can see, anyways, whenever I get time, I try to spend my time with this beautiful scenery. You know that the biggest festival is going on. That's why I have got chance to come here to explore this beautiful scenery, and I'm just enjoying myself with this beautiful scenery. Actually, if you want to get fresh air or if you want to get fresh bread, then you have to go to any village of Bangladesh. Otherwise, it is not possible for us to take good uh, breath, or it is not possible for us to take fresh air. Yes. Anyways, so what is the purpose of making my videos? This is the main reason. Actually, I'm making this video for you so that from watching this video, you can learn how to speak English very well. Right. So if you want to speak English very well, then you have to practice in this way, right? So a lots of students asked me, sir or brother, how can I practice spoken English without any partner? So dear learners, in this way, you can practice your spoken English. As you can see, there is no any partner, but I'm trying to speak English, right? So as I teach you English, that's why I'm making this video so that you can be motivated by watching my videos, or you can improve your spoken English. That's why I'm making this as kind of video with this beautiful scenery, right? So this is the way, this is the technique you can follow to improve your spoken English, right? You will take a cell phone, then you will try to record yourself and try to speak English in this way, right? At first, you will select a beautiful scenery or any kinds of place you will select, then you will try to speak English about that scenery or about that beautiful place, right? So this is the way you can improve your spoken English, right? So, and finally, I'm trying to show you the beautiful scenery over there, right? So, anyways, this is it, and I don't want to make it more longer. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected with our academy. Allah Hafiz.